Hey guys, and welcome back to a Frenchie's Road Trip video. You join us today on a technical video where Ben will be changing the rear shock absorbers or rear shock absorber on the Discovery 2, which hopefully by the time you watch this video there will be a video already that you would have seen on the new Discovery 2 that has replaced the Audi A4. Yeah, so we were advised by our local garage that we used for some bits and pieces of work that needed doing on the Discovery. They said that the shock absorber on the rear driver's side could have needed replacement. So we bought a pair of rear shock absorbers, and it's a really easy job. So if you've got a Discovery 2 and you need your rear shock absorbers replacing, then this video hopefully will help. See you again hopefully next time in another video. More laning videos and technical videos to come with the Discovery 2. Give us a like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you in another video. Cheerio! Ben's just removing the 18-inch wheel, placing that under the car. That's all good. I must admit, I'm pretty happy with this Discovery 2 so far. We've had a few niggles, but we've got over those niggles, and little bits and pieces to replace on it. But like the Freelander 2, yeah, it's like any car, bits and pieces to replace here, there and everywhere. So as I say, rear shock absorber replacement. This actually comes with the rear airbags. These are the airbags here. Makes the car go up and down at the back. A lot of people have those removed and replace them with springs. I can see why, because the airbags are quite expensive if they fail, so the springs are a lot cheaper, and probably not prone to going so wrong than what these airbags are. So I think what Ben's going to do first, he's got the WD-40 can, so he's going to start spraying that on things, aren't you?
Yeah. So there's two bolts. There's one up in there.
Let's have a look, see if we can see it up in there.
There.
Where your finger is.
Yeah.
It's quite difficult to see actually, but okay.
And then the other one's down here.
Ah yeah, we can see that one clearly, yeah.
So, because you don't know when they'll last come off, I thought I'd spray it. Maybe WD-40 to help it.
Yeah. Just to help it along a bit. Ah, this has got a sticker on this one. We might be able to see if it's an original.
Oh yeah, it might be a bit clearer, mightn't it?
Yeah. We don't know how long these shock absorbers have been on here. It's an 04 plate. So whether or not they've been on there since the car was made, nobody knows, but
yeah, it might be.
They could have been. Yeah, they could have been.
Right, so they're 18mm bolts. So we'll get the socket to that. You might want to break it apart, depends how bad it is. How tight they are. We'll start with the bottom one.
So you're pulling towards you.
Yeah. It's coming.
Yeah, there we are.
Right, we'll try the top one. Just
Top one as well. I think that's going to be slightly more difficult for me to get the camera up in there, but because it's in such a tight space, isn't it?
Yeah.
But it's the same bolt
Yeah, they're both exactly
both the same. So you just follow the shock absorber up. Well, it's a bit tighter, that one, isn't it?
It's coming.
It is coming. To pulling towards you.
Yeah. There we go.
So as you can see, Ben's got the car jacked up, supported by the jack and an axle stand.
Always put an axle stand under the car.
Yeah, always put an axle stand underneath, and he's put the wheel underneath as well as a extra safety measure.
Never rely on the jack.
No, never rely on the jack. Okay, so have you taken that one fully out, have you?
Yeah, the top one.
Right, that one's come out already. I missed that. But we've watched this one come out.
Oh, it's a bit slippery now. There we go.
Ah, one bolt removed. Well, 2 bolts removed. I missed the other one.
Yeah, you missed that one.
I was talking about jacks and axle stands. So you're just pulling it towards you.
Yeah, so the top one, the bottom one, sorry, slides out because it's at the angle to come out this way.
Yeah.
The top one's twisted the opposite way around. So it needs to come towards me.
Okay.
Bit of a wiggle, get them out.
Yeah.
It's been in there for a while, I think.
It's been in there for a while, yeah. Could be the original.
Most likely.
Yeah, could be. Don't know how there would be a way of telling, but... It's sort of broke loose in the bottom, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's just the top.
The top is a bit stuck in there. Ah.
Perhaps if you can push it.
Ah.
You can get
more.
Leverage on it. Here you go. I think that's coming.
Hey, one shock absorber.
That's been there for a while. You can see where it's got a bit crusty.
Oh, let's have a look at the label. What's on the label? See if we can see.
Sorry.
If it tells us anything.
It's got Land Rover on it.
Oh, it has. Yeah, Land Rover.
But whether that's original, I don't know.
It's hard to say, isn't it, I suppose?
It looks fairly old, so it might be.
Yeah. Wow. So original Land Rover shock absorbers. We haven't put originals on, back on I should say, we haven't replaced them with originals. We've gone for aftermarket ones, haven't we, I think?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm trying to see if there's a date on there.
There's nothing else coming
Nothing else on there, no. I'm surprised that sticker, because compared to the other one we did on the other side, that one...
yeah. Completely gone, isn't it?
Yeah, completely gone, so that one's...
Right. I'll go and fetch the other one then.
Yeah, alright then. So, one new shock absorber. It's got a nice sticker on there, PR2 Pro to Pro. Pro to Pro, I it's alright, it was better than the new one, better than the old one I should say. So, nice and shiny.
Yeah, ready to go.
Ready to go, look quite good on the car I think once it's on there, so.
Yeah. Right, so it's the reverse of removal.
Yeah, reverse of removal as they would say in the Haynes manual.
So it is this way up, right in, you don't want it...
I don't want it that way round, that would be bad.
Want it that way round.
So that way round.
So it's just find the gaps and slot them in.
Okay.
Start with the bottom then. I'll just place a bolt in there just to keep it steady while you put the top on.
Yeah.
Doesn't have to be all the way, just something to hold it.
Something to hold it so you can...
And you might have to pull it up.
Okay.
To extend it to the top.
Taking a bit more force obviously than the old one, isn't it?
Yeah.
A shame I can't get the camera up in there, but... if I can... No, there's no way of being able to see it, it's so dark up there, but hope you can see up in there somewhere. It's up in there. It's going to be the same sort of join down there than it is up there, so fairly straightforward. If you've
nice
got
easy drive.
Yeah, the shock absorbers were quite cheap. I think they were £50–60 for the pair. Yeah, just a nice easy job. As we say, we were advised by our local garage that at least one needed doing. So we've replaced the rear. Just lining it up now.
Yeah. Easier said than done, I think.
Ah, struggling to go in.
Yeah, because they're new.
Oh, of course, I suppose not as worn as the old ones.
Yeah, I might just take the bottom one out again just to give it a bit more movement. Actually started with the top one.
Ah, that sounded like it went in somewhere.
Yeah, I think I might have got it.
Ah, that's pretty good. Marvellous.
Yeah, that's the top one started.
So yeah, probably want to do it in reverse then, so we started.
Yeah, perhaps do the top one first.
Okay.
And you go down to the bottom one.
So we were looking at Ben's Freelander 2, and obviously the shock absorbers on there are within the spring, so slightly more complicated, more to it. But the Discovery 2 replacement of a shock absorber, as you can see, is fairly straightforward. I've done this within a couple of minutes. Probably 10 minutes at most, I would say, either side.
Yeah, I see so.
The actual replacement of them, I suppose, the time, if you include jacking up the car, getting all the bits ready and everything, probably 3/4 of an hour job, half hour, something like that.
Something like that, yeah.
And a T-stop in between, maybe.
Yeah.
Nice and tight.
Yep, that's that one.
That's that one.
There we go.
All good. There we are.
All tight.
One shock absorber replacement. So, yeah. That's one job done on the Discovery 2. There are a few other ones, and I'm sure there will be more videos to come, just like there was on the Freelander 2. In fact, I think there's probably more videos to come on the Freelander 2 as well at some point. We have got the Heldex service replacement, which is something which Ben is hoping to do at some point, so that's going to be another video. And yeah, there's going to be quite a few videos, I would imagine, on the Discovery 2. So hope you like this video. Give us a like, subscribe, drop us a comment. We hope this was useful, and we will see you again in another video. Cheerio!